Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're looking at one of Tissot's most timeless releases, the brand new Tissot Ballade COSC Powermatic Collection 2025. If you're into Swiss-made elegance, automatic movements, and certified chronometer precision at a fair price, this one's for you. Tissot's Ballade line first debuted in 1994 and got a major refresh in 2024 with sleeker cases, fluted bezels, and textured dials. But until now, it was strictly quartz. For 2025, Tissot is elevating the Ballade with automatic movements and, importantly, COSC chronometer certification for top-notch accuracy. The collection offers 7 models in 2 sizes, 39mm for a classic men's fit and 30mm for a refined, smaller wrist option. All feature stainless steel cases with brushed and polished finishes, sapphire crystal, 100 meters of water resistance, and a see-through caseback. Design-wise, you get that signature fluted bezel, framing an embossed sunray pattern dial with applied Roman numerals, a framed date window, and subtle loom on the hands and markers. The 39mm versions come in silver, dark blue, dark green, or with yellow-gold PVD accents. The 30mm models offer ice blue, silver, or silver with rose gold PVD highlights. Under the hood, the 39mm runs the Powermatic 80 with an 80-hour power reserve, while the 30mm features the Powermatic 48 with 48 hours of reserve. Both are anti-magnetic thanks to Nivacron hairsprings and certified by COSC for chronometer level precision. Each watch comes on a 5-link stainless steel bracelet with a butterfly clasp and Tissot's quick change system. Pricing starts at €1,025 for full steel models and €1,095 for the two-tone PVD versions. Excellent value for Swiss automatic chronometer watches. So there you have it, the 2025 Tissot Ballade COSC Powermatic Collection. A classic design, upgraded movements, and COSC certification at an accessible price point. What do you think of Tissot's latest release? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest watch reviews.